Korkmaz 3-in-1 stainless steel. Smart timer pressure cooker. Alfa Tencere Seti model A1607. 11L INOX. Pressure cooker, casserole, steamer. This 11L INOX pressure cooker is a versatile kitchen appliance that functions as a pressure cooker, casserole, and steamer, making it an essential addition to your kitchen. Made from food-grade 1810 stainless steel material. Faster cooking. Save energy and cook delicious meals up to 75% faster than traditional methods. Healthier meals. The steam buildup inside the airtight pan locks in nutrients, ensuring healthier meals. Double bottom design. Heavy-duty double bottom ensures even heat distribution and prevents hot spots for uniform cooking. Versatile cooking, suitable for a wide range of cooking tasks, including steaming, braising, boiling, and more. Easy to clean. Smooth stainless steel surface is easy to clean by hand or in the dishwasher, saving you time and effort. Extra safety. Equipped with an extra valve below the lid to reduce excess pressure, making it a blast-proof pressure cooker. Spring safety valve. Alarm valve. Pressure limit valve. Flow-controlled valve. Vent hole. Anti-blockage shield. Unique and user-friendly locking mechanism. The Korkmaz pressure cooker makes cooking various delicious recipes easy, joyful, and safe. As one of the oldest cookware brands in Turkey, Korkmaz offers a wide range of kitchen products, including kitchen sets, cookware sets, roti makers, tawas, frying pans, and all kitchen tools including knives. Multi-use, can be used as a pressure cooker, pot, casserole, or steamer. Reasonable pricing, estimated seriously between 12,000 PKR to 20,000 PKR, the Korkmaz Alpha Cooker offers superb incentive for its quality and usefulness.